Guys, welcome to the channel. So what we're going to do today is we're going to cover a little bit of keyword research and how to use that from keyword research to publishing. Okay, so we are going to go through basic Google keyword research and some Ahrefs Google research, keyword research, sorry, where we will cover like your normal keyword research, a little bit of an advanced technique, how to research your competitors, and also how to convert all that keyword research into content brief with the click of a button. So stay for that. That's really important. And then you're going to show you a sample of how this content brief looks like. And also I'll show you what happens after we publish. Okay, so let's get it on. So I was taking this example because it's really good. It's like, okay, how to convert Google Doc to whatever, right? So we have so many options here that you can explore, and you can go to A, B, C, test all these different things, and you will get a bunch of ideas that you can use for your keyword research. Maybe make note of them, and then try use them and see where that leads you. Okay, so this will be like the basic, basic, medium, advanced. I use this all the time just to get idea of what people are asking for, and I would also use the people also search for. So that will be number one. Pretty easy, simple. Okay, so with that said, I don't want to explore here too much, but you also have these entities that you get like already Google know and have a bunch of answers for those, but these are entities that are like super specialized on that, and you can also go further into them. So you can see like to Excel you can get online free. So to Excel free online. All right, so you are going to convert Google Doc to Excel online free. So you're going to get all these little variations with these things, and it's super easy. It's just like you basically, if you don't have the means to get Ahrefs and Ahrefs account or something like that, this will be awesome. Okay, now let's jump into Ahrefs. So this is the basic one. You get to say like, okay, let's say convert Google Doc to PDF, and you will get all these options of these keywords here, some variations of those, and you will see also who are the number ones and the top 10, sorry, of all of them. And you can also see how they are being featured in the SERPs. So that will be also something that you can check. It's always interesting to see that all of these can be part of your research. So you are going to need to look at all of these competitors. You want to have like, what are the feature snippet, what is it people also ask. Everything that I was checking here, it's kind of covered for that specific keyword on Ahrefs, and this is super interesting. Now if you want to do something more similar to what we were doing on Google, you should come here. All right, and you have the matching terms here, but you can also use something like so what I was trying to do here is like, you can do several combinations. So convert Google Doc to, right, and then you use this and say like to PDF, WordPress, CSV, TXT, and you have plenty of more options. You do this any word. So okay, let me show you how that's being done. So you come here, say include, put all the keywords of variations of these terms, and you can also like use other terms. So you can use convert PDF, convert, I don't know, like MP3, something like that. Yes, I need to copy this again. So you can do all of these, and you can also include this like any word, any of these words, please combine them with all of these terms. So it will create like several variations of all of these. Okay, so that's super cool. A little bit of an advanced technique. It's not really complex, but I didn't know about that like 3 years ago, so it's cool just to and I learned it on YouTube. So also on keyword research, once you've done that, then we already covered like super fast, like Google keyword search, normal to advanced Ahrefs techniques on Google keyword research. And now what happens is like if you want to go to something, so you want to go from your keywords to some to content creation, right? So you can take this and say like this. You need to install this Swiftbrief SEO Chrome extension, and once you do that, you will see this little symbol here, and you just click on that, and you have two options. You can convert, you can create a whole new topic, which is like an umbrella or main category, or you can just create a quick brief. And then you previously, because you need to subscribe or sign up to Swiftbrief, once you do it, you put all the details of your brand, and then you just click. It will appear here, and then you just click submit. And then once you do that, it will just basically create a brief on the software, right? I already did this because it takes some time. Sometimes it's like 5 minutes or something like that. So this is what you end up with. So this is one of the brief. It basically creates a content that you can, brief for you or for your writer to, make sure that it's right and start writing on top of it. So you can do this in several ways. I like doing it manually. Okay, I like writing manually, but some people, just will copy and paste all this information directly on some AI tool and get all the information. So this is the brief that comes out once you do that, and it will have all this information that we were seeing. The top 10 on Ahrefs. It will have the search intent, the content algo, a lot of like the clustering of the keywords, the different variations of the terms, and it will create some sort of sample content. You can just use this or not, or you can just give the content instructions to the writer. And then it will also create like, this is the table of content, super big, the TLDR, and then it starts like creating the whole thing. It even will recommend you some internal links that you can use. So for example, in this case is one of my website, theaudience.com, and it will just create like, say like, hey, use these internal links. It can add value to your usage. And it will also give you some suggestions of what kind of YouTube embed you can use. So here you see this is the embeddable YouTube, and yeah, that's pretty much. It will also give you some things to incorporate, like some news and some sources to use. It will also create some screenshots for you. It will it will give you like complete instructions in this case, because it's a step-by-step case, and that's pretty much it. It's really cool. So once you have this, then you go and publish. That's what you need to do. And in our case, we are doing this. This is our tool, so we need to kind of like give it to the people, like what is going on, what happens after we publish, and we're seeing some good results. If you see here on the website, you will see our organic search has basically shoot through the sky. Once we started, we weren't publishing before. We just got started like in May, and it's been like fairly good in driving traffic really fast. And then you can see like some of these briefs are coming like in the top 10 positions right away. So they are like basically starring on number 5 or number 6 or number 10. So it's kind of crazy and amazing that we get to use this. And what I like doing is also adding my own angle on top of it. But that's a story for another video. This is already 9 minutes and 33 seconds, so I think it's okay. Thank you for watching, and I hope you get to learn something new and that you can apply it just today. Start doing content today. There's no reason to wait. Just go and freaking do it.